Hi guys, today I have my episode 2 of 3 nail art looks 1 collection. So I did this for my Orly Fall 2020 collection already. I will have it linked up here. But this time around, I want to do it for the Essie Expressie Fall 2020 collection. That collection is fantastic. I already did a live swatch and review of that collection. I will also have it linked up here, also down below, so that you can go check out the actual application of those polishes. But basically, those colors are very unusual, in my opinion, for a fall collection. So I was just super inspired by them. I came up with 3 looks real fast. I have 2 more that I've already done. I think maybe I'll just add 1 more and do another, like a bonus episode for 3 more looks, 1 collection for this collection. But regardless, I want to show you 3 looks today. All of the product links will be down below if I can find them. Also, some of the staple items, whatnot, all of the information will be down below. This video will also be time stamped, so if you want to go reference just 1 look real quick, you can go look for the timestamps down below as well. So let's just jump in. The first look I did was not typically a fall look at all. This is I really think all season appropriate look because I used a pink as the base. So the pink color I used is onto the next. This one you can see is a very light neutral toned kind of pink. And I just put this on all of my nails. I used the stamping plate Nicole Diary 176, and in that plate, I picked up a lot of those lines and splattered looks and just put them on my nails kind of randomly. And then I reverse stamped a little avocado on my ring finger. The 4 shades I used for the avocado all came from this collection as well. So I used Matcha Energy as the leaf. And then I used Speed of Life as the meaty part of the avocado. And then for the core, I used Fueled Up. And lastly, for the skin, I used In the Fast Lane. So the actual process is really simple. I will just roll the footage right now so you can see how that's done. So you can see that look was really easy. I mattified everything to give it a more chic look, and I think that look really could be worn all year round. And then the next one is a typical kind of fall look for sure. So in this look, I used 3 shades from this collection. Those 3 are all, you can see, very brown, very neutral. They just range kind of different tones basically. And the colors that I have are Energized Wise, Fueled Up, Espresso, Double Shot. So I have 3 different browns, and I tried a new technique. I think it's called dry marble. So basically I just blobbed those colors onto a silicone mat, and then I smushed them around a little bit and have them dry on the mat. And then I would pick them up to place on my nails, kind of like a decal. I have to say the result is really beautiful, but it's very time consuming for me. It could be that I am just not very used to the technique yet. And then after that, I decided to stamp over that. So I used my Uber Chic Lovely Leaves 4 plate. And on that plate, there's an image that's just a bunch of tree trunks. They are a little bit like far apart, so I thought that was perfect. The design, the dry marble design underneath could show through perfectly. And then I also stamped a little phrase like Hello Autumn on one of the fingers. So the stamping part was super simple, and I think it turned out super pretty. So because I loved my last look so much, but also at the same time I was a little hesitant just because it was so time consuming. So I still wanted to try something similar. So what I decided to do this time around, it's also a dry marbled look, but it's using a different technique. The three colors involved in this look, over here I have Clock In, Energized and Wise, Recharge to Take Charge. So those three colors together really gave the kind of vintage look, and I thought they could just play together really nicely too. This time around, I also just dribbled them on a silicone mat, and instead of leaving that to dry as a decal, I used a stamper to actually pick it up. That way I can stamp it right away on my nails so I don't have to wait around for that to dry. But at the same time, maybe it's just my technique, like my stamper couldn't pick up the full image. It's always like just half of it or something. It was a little strange. So I have to practice, but because I used the white as a base anyways, so it kind of didn't really matter all that much. But you're gonna see it on my footage, what I'm talking about, and I think the design turned out super well. I love those three shades together. It's just so good. And of course, time-wise, it's much more easier than my last look. So that's all the three looks I have for you. You can see that they just really have a variety of shades that you can work with. The only shade I haven't used is this kind of like brick brown kind of color. This is in the shade High Energy, Low Stress. I do have looks planned to use this shade, so I'm sure I'm gonna show you that at some point. But for now, those are the three looks I did with this collection. I am super happy with those, and I know they're kind of hard to find right now. I found mine at CVS again. If you have a CVS near you, maybe you can go look for them. So let me know which look you like the most and maybe which one you would like to recreate if you could. If you go on Instagram, I also post those kind of short tutorial videos on my Instagram. It might be a little easier to reference and look at if you prefer that. So I will have my account linked down below as well. And let me know if you are able to find this collection because it is exciting. And I heard that Essie also just came out with a Halloween collection. They are on a roll, they're just not stopping. I do have my Essie fall collection reviewed a long time ago, but I am going to do the three looks for that collection soon too. So keep your eyes peeled, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.